Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can change the language on your Samsung keyboard using Samsung S25 Ultra. For that, first you need to enable the Samsung keyboard. So once you enable the Samsung keyboard, I mean when you go and want to type something, so it will be enabled. All you need to do is to tap on this icon here, and as you can see, it is changed. So for that, if you want to select another language which is not available here, all you need to do is to tap on this gear icon and it will bring you here. Now you will find language and types. That is what you need to tap on, and here you will find manage input languages. Here is the list of languages which are already downloaded, but if you cannot find the language in this list, all you need to do is to scroll. Here you will find the list, the language that you want to use it. So all you need to do is to download the language first by clicking here. Once the language is downloaded, you can then find it here and just enable this option. So right, just for example, if I want to enable Korean, so once I enable it, I will go back, and now if I press this icon, as you can see, I will find the Korean language here, and I can change it by just tapping on this option. So guys, this is how you can change the language on your Samsung keyboard using S25 Ultra. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.